Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on eToro. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in etoro.com and press enter. Once you type this in, you will be taken into the official eToro website from which you can log into your account by using your credentials. After logging into your account, you will be taken into the home page from which, if you wish to change your password, then expand the menu icon from the top left corner and then click on the settings option. From the settings page, go ahead and click on account. And now you will find your credentials section. Just click on the change button alongside your password and you will first of all be asked to enter your current password. Just type in the password that is associated with your account currently and then in the second box, type in your desired new password. After typing your new password, just type this password once again for confirmation in the third box and then click on the submit button. Once you click on submit, your new password will be changed right away, and from this point on, you will need to use this new password in order to log into your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on your eToro account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.